recording.
All right.
So this is Richard Carranza, Houston Energy Industry News, here at the AR/VR conference in Houston. I'm speaking today with John Burton, the CEO of UrsaLeo company. And John, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, like your role and what you do at the company?
Sure, yeah. Thanks, Richard.
Yeah.
So I'm the CEO and co-founder. We founded the company a little over 2.5 years ago. My background is in the semiconductor industry, so I've worked a lot with industrial companies in Europe, North America, Japan. And what we decided to do about 2 years ago was put together an advanced user interface for industrial IoT companies using digital twin technology, sometimes 3D models, digital twins. So that's really what we're showing today at the conference is we have a little model of a 3D oil refinery which has got 32 real sensors in it, and then we have a digital twin which we're showing on a computer screen which shows the readings, and we can heat the sensors up or shine lights on them and generate a response on the actual digital twin.
Very nice. I have to take a picture of that to show my readers. And so have you got anything at your company that is cooking on the burners that's kind of interesting and novel and kind of...
This is pretty interesting.
Is that the latest thing you have going right there, the digital twins?
Yeah, so to give you an example, we are working in the oil and gas industry. Right now we're working with a company that makes compressor units that goes to wellheads. They're used to capture natural gas coming out of oil wells, and they want the ability to do remote monitoring and remote maintenance. So they're going to use our digital twins to actually be able to do maintenance when they're sitting in Oklahoma City and be able to maintain equipment all across North America with their maintenance staff working on what looks exactly like their real units.
Yeah. Yeah, how about anything special for the Houston area?
Well, I'd say oil and gas is a major industry for us, so this is obviously a target-rich environment. We're working already with oil and gas equipment manufacturers, Chicago, Oklahoma City. Haven't started doing anything in Houston yet, but that's one of the reasons we came down here.
I see. Now, the digital twin, I was recently at the ARC Forum in Orlando, and I got into an interesting conversation with a few people there, in that it's not really unanimously agreed upon exactly what is a twin, right?
True.
And what happens is that I can't see a twin beyond anything else than maintenance. Being able to predict when compressor bearings will fail. Getting ready to predict when are the seals going to fail on that pump.
Yep.
Maybe even to some extent, when is corrosion and going to make a vessel unsafe, perhaps.
Right.
And so there's a lot of history data that has to be taken to be able to extrapolate out to the future and predict when is that scheduled maintenance going to come along. That's my view. What's your view on what is really the purpose of a digital twin?
So they can be used for a whole bunch of things. To take the example of our customers right now, a sales and marketing tool. So a great way to show off a piece of equipment at a conference that is too big to bring into a building. And, so definitely for sales and marketing, training, being able to train people in virtual reality on something rather than send them into a dangerous environment or to a real piece of equipment. Definitely monitoring, being able to display data in a more interesting and way that shows what's really going on rather than typical IoT dashboard.
Can a twin do that? Can it be used to display live data?
This is live data.
Is it? Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So we're doing it right now. We can show you some stuff here and show you changing on the twin.
Okay.
Recording, we can do rewind, record, replay. So you can imagine there's reporting requirements when things go wrong or things happen. We've got a company in the medical world who wants to use digital twins for training, and they'll actually record how the the trainee response and to the digital twin, so they can actually say, okay, they did it right or they did it wrong. So there's many uses for them.
Yeah, I can see that. It's hard for me to get my mind around all of it, but I think for me the one I like the best is the maintenance aspect. And well, I'll tell you what, it's been great talking to you. Thank you for joining me.